Annyeongs! Hello guys! So for today's video, mga untag samji, let's go! So today guys, nata diri karon sa Daebak, one of the OG Korean samji diri sa Digos. Located ni diri sa Christian Village, Digos City. And as you can see, naadjud sila waiting area guys, kay sa kadaghang mukhaon diri. Need ni mo magsulat diri sa imong name ug pila mo ka buok para on cue na ka to dine. Nasad sila available Korean ice cream diri like Melona and mao ni ilang menu for their samji. And mausad ni ilang time limit for samji diners. Nata diri karon sa ilang waiting area na very nice kaig background. So pwede mo mag picture diri while waiting guys. And look at the diners guys, daghan jud kaig tao and ginapilahan jud sila diri. So mao to gitawag na mi mga onata, let's go. Dugay-dugay po jud ko wala ka samji diri guys ay. So, maoday ni ilahang food and side dishes na pwedeng kapilian, guys. Before, daghan kayo ni silag side dishes. So, maybe tungod sa pagtaas bitaw sa mga prices sa mga palaliton, nagbawas silag side dishes instead of nagmark up sila. Right? So, mauna ni namong food and na-serve na po ang meat na tay cheese sauce, egg soup, kimchi, potato marble, lettuce, and meat. And of course, plain pork rajud always among gina-order guys kung mag-samji mi. And let me tell you guys ha, diri jud ko nakatilaw og legit and lamian kay na kimchi. Super! The only kimchi na akong kaunon jud. And another look sa mga diners around. Very sulit kayo lang samji diri, maong ginapilahan jud ni sila everyday. Always jud sila full house guys. So mao to samji time. Let's have some lettuce, pork dipped in a cheese sauce, and the kimchi. Look at that guys, very giving and so delish. Kalami kayo, uy, super. Well, nag-voice over ko karon guys, no? Ga-crave na po kong samji. My goodness. Haka, uy. Look at that guys, lami kayo kung kaon. Naihap ninyo guys yung kapila ko ni hungit. Akong maingon rajud guys, no? It's so giving and it's so delish. Very satisfying jud kayo din, very sulit. So mao na ni guys ang aftermath, busog-lusog na, very much. So mao to kay nabusog naman ta, manguli na ta. Thank you Lord for today and every day. Bye.